Hi everyone, I'm Aditi and this is Goalverse AI, a Gen AI powered living stadium intelligence platform built for FIFA World Cup. So, this is the landing page and you will notice the football themed interface inspired by the FIFA World Cup. From here, users can access multiple AI powered modules designed to solve real stadium challenges. Imagine you're visiting the stadium for the first time and need the nearest accessible washroom or food court. The request is sent to my Express backend, which fetches stadium locations from a SQLite database using Prism ORM. The AI layer then generates contextual navigation guidance. In production, this can directly connect to official FIFA venue maps or indoor positioning system. So, during a World Cup, crowd congestion is major safety concern. This module analyzes gate occupancy stored in the stadium database and provides AI-powered recommendation about the safest entrance. In future, these values can come from CCTV analytics, ticket scanners, and IoT crowd sensors. So now, fans also have different arrival times and transfer preferences. So the match planner dynamically generates a personalized itinerary based on user inputs. Later, it can easily integrate with Google Maps, metro schedules, and live traffic APIs. The FIFA World Cup welcomes people from around the world. So the system provides translation requests to the backend AI services, and in production, it can be extended using models like Gemini for real-time multilingual assistance. It is available in 6 languages. We can even try another languages too. Accessibility is another important aspect. So this module assists visitors in locating wheelchair-friendly entrances, elevators, and accessible facilities, ensuring an inclusive experience for everyone. Right now, I prefer a light mode, therefore I am changing it. You can just use the dark mode. Goalverse AI also promotes sustainability through the EcoScore module, where eco-friendly travel choices are recorded and summarizes to encourage greener transportation. Next up, we have Volunteers Desk. Volunteers can instantly report incidents and lost and found items which are stored in the database. Even have reported incident, then so this is the control room interface. So the application is built using React, TypeScript, and Vite on the front end with Express.js on the back end. Stadium information like gates, facilities, crowd readings, and reports are stored in a SQLite database managed through Prisma ORM. Since FIFA does not provide public operational APIs, I created a realistic seeded stadium dataset. The architecture is modular, so these seeded endpoints can later be replaced with live API, IoT sensors, or CCTV analytics without changing the front end. One small note, while trying the live demo, the backend is hosted on Render's free tier, so the server has been idle. The first request may take around 30 to 60 seconds while the server wakes up. After that, all features respond normally. So thank you for watching, and this was Goalverse AI.